Good morning everyone. In today's class we will solve a question related to surface area and volume. The question says that a toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone of the same base radius as that of the hemisphere. And if the radius of base of the cone is 21 cm and its volume is 2/3 of the volume of the hemisphere, then calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the toy. And given that pi equal to 22/7. So as per the question, the drawing should be like this. And as per the question also, let's do the solution. So the volume of the cone is equal to the 2/3 of the volume of the hemisphere. So volume of cone equal to 2/3 of volume of hemisphere. We know that the formula volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h equal to 2/3 of volume of a hemisphere. Formula is 2/3 pi r cube. If you will simplify this, then you will get h equal to 4/9 pi r cube divided by 1/3 pi r square. When you will cut it or simplify it, then you will get h equal to 4/3 r. So we know that, or in question given that r equal to 21 cm and common for both, for cone and for hemisphere. So now put the value of r, h equal to 4/3 multiply r equal to 21. So you will get 3, 7, you will get 28 cm. So now we got the first answer, height of the cone, h equal to 28 cm. First answer. Then come to for the second. Then we will do the slant height. If this is the cone, if this is h and this is r, then this is the L, slant height. So the formula to calculate the first slant height, L equal to root over r square plus h square. And the value of r is 21 cm whole square plus value of h is 28 square we got here. If you will calculate this, then you will get the answer 1225 root over equal to 35 cm. So we got the value of slant height 35 cm. Now we have to calculate the surface area of the toy. So the total surface area of the toy is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA means curved surface area, hemisphere. Curved surface area. And the formula for curved surface area of cone is pi r L plus the CSA of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So if you will take common, then pi r, then L plus 2r. Now put the value of L and R, value of everything, then you will get 22/7 multiply 21, 35 plus 2 multiply 21, because this is 2r. I am writing properly. it's not visible. 2r 21. Then after solving this 7 3s, then you will get 66. 66 multiply 35 plus 42, then you will get 66 multiply 77 equal to 5082 cm square. This is the answer. Now I think I have solved this question properly and clear all doubts regarding this question. Thank you.